Explore the top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras in our latest video. From compact designs to looking to capture stunning photos and videos without breaking the bank, mirrorless cameras offer incredible image quality, compact designs, and advanced features, all at budget-friendly prices. Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a photography enthusiast, there's a perfect option for you. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras, breaking down their key features, performance, and why they stand out. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest deals. Number 5. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a versatile and budget-friendly mirrorless camera, perfect for content creators, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts. With its compact design, 24.0 APS-C sensor, and dual-pixel autofocus, this camera delivers stunning image quality and smooth video recording for an affordable price. Equipped with Canon's DIGIC 8-image processor, the M50 Mark II ensures sharp, vibrant, and detailed photos even in low-light conditions. The improved autofocus system, featuring eye detection, AF provides fast and accurate focus, making it easier to capture crisp portraits and moving subjects. For video creators, the M50 Mark II supports 4K recording, though with a slight crop, and full HD 1080p at 60 fps, perfect for high-quality vlogs and social media content. The vari-angle touchscreen makes shooting from different angles effortless, and with the built-in vertical video mode, creating content for platforms like Instagram and TikTok has never been easier. One of its standout features is wireless live streaming, allowing you to broadcast directly to YouTube via Wi-Fi, making it an excellent choice for streamers and influencers. The built-in microphone jack ensures high-quality audio recording, and it pairs well with external mix for professional sound. With compact size, excellent image quality, and creator-friendly features, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is an ideal choice for beginners and budget-conscious photographers looking for a powerful yet affordable mirrorless camera. Number 4. The Olympus OMD-EM10 Mark IV. Introducing the Olympus OMD-EM10 Mark IV, a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera designed to unleash your creativity and capture life's unforgettable moments with stunning detail and precision. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or an enthusiast exploring the world of photography, the EM10 Mark IV is your perfect companion. With its 20.3 megapixel live MOS sensor and True Epic V II image processor, this camera delivers impressive image quality and exceptional performance, ensuring every shot is bursting with clarity and vibrancy. The advanced 5-axis image stabilization system allows for sharp, blur-free images and smooth video recording, even in low-light conditions. Featuring a sleek and ergonomic design, the EM10 Mark IV fits comfortably in your hand and is perfect for capturing spontaneous moments on the go. The intuitive touchscreen interface and customizable controls make it easy to navigate through menus and settings, while the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allow for seamless sharing and remote shooting from your smart device. Unlock your creativity and elevate your photography with the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. It's time to capture the beauty of the world around you with unmatched precision and ease. Number 3. The Canon EOS RP. Introducing the Canon EOS RP, a compact and versatile full-frame mirrorless camera designed to inspire creativity and capture life's most memorable moments with exceptional clarity and detail. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an amateur enthusiast, the EOS RP is your perfect companion for exploring the world of photography. With its 26.2 megapixel full-frame, CMOS sensor, and DIGI, C8 image processor. This camera delivers stunning image quality and remarkable low-light performance, ensuring every shot is a masterpiece. The advanced dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system provides fast and precise focusing, while the vari-angle touchscreen LCD allows for easy framing and composition from any angle. Featuring a lightweight and ergonomic design, the EOS RP is perfect for capturing spontaneous moments on the go. Its intuitive controls and customizable settings make it easy to unleash your creativity and experiment with different shooting techniques. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can instantly share your photos and videos with friends and family, or remotely control the camera from your smart device. Embrace the power of full-frame photography and elevate your storytelling with the Canon EOS RP. Number 2. The Panasonic Lumix G100. Introducing the Panasonic Lumix G100, a compact and powerful mirrorless camera designed for content creators and vloggers seeking exceptional performance and versatility. With its sleek design and advanced features, the G100 is your perfect companion for capturing stunning photos and videos on the go. Equipped with a 20.3-megapixel micro four thirds sensor and Venus engine image processor, this camera delivers impressive image quality and fast performance, ensuring every shot is crisp, clear, and vibrant. The innovative 5-axis hybrid image stabilization system minimizes blur and shake, allowing you to capture smooth, professional-looking footage even while moving. Featuring a vari-angle touchscreen LCD and high-resolution electronic viewfinder, the G100 offers flexible shooting options and precise framing in any lighting condition. Plus, with advanced audio recording capabilities and built-in microphones with OZO audio technology, you can capture clear, immersive sound to complement your videos. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily share your photos and videos with friends and followers, or remotely control the camera from your smartphone. Embrace the freedom to create with the Panasonic Lumix G100 and unlock endless possibilities for storytelling. Number 1. The Sony Alpha 6100 is a mirrorless interchangeable lens camera designed for photographers and videographers. Key features: the camera features a 24.2-megapixel Exmor CMOS sensor, which delivers high-resolution images and is ideal for low-light shooting. The BIONZX image processor allows for fast image processing and improved noise reduction. The A6100 boasts a fast and accurate autofocus system with 425 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points, covering approximately 84% of the frame. The A6100 can record 4K videos at 30 fps with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. It also supports full HD recording at 120 fps for slow-motion videos. These connectivity options allow for easy image transfer to smartphones and remote camera control. The camera has a decent battery life, allowing for extended shooting sessions. The A6100 is relatively compact and lightweight, making it a good choice for those looking for a portable camera system. The camera features a tilting touchscreen LCD. The Sony A6100 is a versatile camera suitable for a variety of photography and videography needs, from everyday shooting to more professional work.